How to create account with Indeed. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box type in Indeed and search for it. With that you will find the website of Indeed. Go ahead and open it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Indeed. Now over here you will find this option of sign in. Click on it. Now you can easily create your account using Google ID or Apple ID. After you select any of these options, now select your Google ID or Apple ID. Click on Continue. Ready for the next step, create an account for the tools to help you, job seeker or employer. Select the option that best suits you. Where are you located? You can type in the city name. Likewise, type in the postal code. If you are interested in remote work, you can toggle on for this option and then click on Continue. What's the minimum pay you are looking for? You can type in over here and then select the pay period and then click on Continue. What job are you looking for? Type in the desired job titles. After you type in, click on View Jobs. And with that, you have just created your account. Well, this is how you can easily create account with Indeed. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.